Hello, sir. They say you want me to see me.
Dog, you still follow the bug of video, you know, until you say, now if you have video and all the thing, them dog.
Brother.
Nickii and Klyne,
Only bring it for the net, so why we can't video?
yo.
Only bring it for the net.
I tell them to follow how them come with the video. I tell them say, yo, what's the video?
I don't want them in here now.
Then no GSN, no GSN.
This will go down as one of the most epic pranks I've seen to date. Gio and Ken teaming up with Klyne and Nickii to perform an amazing stunt that got the fans talking. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. This is the place where you get the best in local and international updates on current events and also what's taking place in the world of entertainment. So coming up on this program for today, we're going to be reflecting on the video that came out with Gio and Ken, Klyne and Nickii that got the fans talking, and I would say one of the most epic pranks I've seen to date. Well, with that said, let me just go over into what was being described as a very epic moment which got the fans talking right across the world. So as you know, Gio and Ken, popular YouTubers, Klyne and Nickii on the rise as well, becoming a more talk about group in the social media space after they have skyrocketed almost to the top of the prank world just in a few months' time. So these are two YouTubers that I've watched on numerous occasions, and I can tell you that they're doing their thing and it's going in their favor. But with this recent prank that they did, trust me, this was one of the most epic pranks I've seen to date, and I can tell you they have the fans talking on social media, as many would have thought that this was actually true. So without no delay, let me just go over into the first video that was posted by Gio and Ken, which started the whole rivalry on social media. Let's go to that right now on Links 007 TV.
For all video them, we don't know this, we know this, so we don't have a girl on the top. We don't know Nickii and Klyne, right? Nickii and Klyne, right? We must know them Jamaican YouTubers doing them things anyway, so what is our fans them always just say, yo, they want to see you in a video with Nickii and Klyne, right?
First and foremost, we come to clear the air.
Yeah, we just come to clear the air, no joke.
Not more than clear the air.
Just come and forward to clear the air. So fans them always but ask, yo, they want to see Nickii and
Klyne.
Yes,
Then
sir.
spar with them kill with. Instagram,
So,
YouTube, everybody always asks.
always ask for a video with them. So me always see but never used to nothing. You see me? So the other day, I think 2 days ago, we reached out to them, right?
Yeah, for real.
She reached out to the
Me reach out to Nickii.
Me reached out to the Klyne, you see me? So I think Ken did text her and say, yo, we
Collaboration.
need to do a collab and
See them move
You
in
see me?
Kingston, I with the Kingston too.
Kingston
So
too.
me I say, alright then, the people they want to see we together, they want to see a band together,
You see
connection.
me? No,
So I say,
Joe.
alright, I'm gonna be the bigger one and I'm gonna reach out to them, right? So I reach out to Nickii, Gio say him reach out to Klyne.
You see me? Reach out to Klyne. The dad never reach out back to me. Like, alright, so me send it in the afternoon. The next morning, my sister never seen it. You see me? The next day passed now, my sister ain't seen it, but in my answer, boy, my post on him story and my post on
Exactly.
and shit.
Me text Nickii 2 times, she see me. Seen, and I say, alright then. I'm not gonna reach out to her again, because I text her 2 times and she see me.
Alright, and guys, more wanna tell me like what you
Okay.
feel, bro. Like, you know, we do this, we started this, right? We started the whole couple shit and all of them things. You see
Exactly.
me? You know, them forward after and them do them thing and them do them thing, you see me? So me not see where there's like, me don't know if them fans change them or our haters make them feel like say, yo, we hate them or we have something against them or something like that. But we just fall to play the ear, nothing like that. Nothing like that. So right now, when me feel say, I can just make it stay as it is.
Exactly.
Them over there, so we over here. So
I do a thing, them I do them thing.
Yes,
I'm not gonna reach out to them again because no, don't tell me in the comment section if you don't reach out back to
I
them.
want to say what I for this.
I want to say what I for this because
we do reach out.
And
we
them
do
seeing
reach
it.
out. Them seeing it for 2 days,
Tell me
2 to 3 days.
I'm not gonna reach out.
Them no respond or nothing.
Big, see them see it. I'm not gonna say them not see it.
What would you think? What would you think, bro? You see me? So this is just like for them fans, for them like mostly like them fans who always a comment on them video and say yo them ones.
And for Uno to come off of we and stop knock with the video with
Exactly.
them. Because we reach out to them and nothing.
Not them. And even if we knock them, we don't think we're going to do no video with them because them already. You see what I say?
Yeah.
So everything will go with peace and love, but it's what it is right now. You see me? So this is just like a message to them people, to them.
As we say, we're not come to say nothing long.
No, for say nothing long. That's it. Come on, I have nothing more to say. You see me?
I have nothing more to say more than I'm not in a video with them. Simple.
So please, may I ask you to stop comment under our video asking for Nickii and Klyne.
Gio and Ken in a video making rounds on social media. So that was the actual video that went out that had fans talking. Now, in response to that, Klyne and Nickii gave a follow-up video of the whole entire scenario and why they did not respond to that message that was sent from Gio and Ken. So let's go over to that now. Right now here on Links 007 TV, then we'll have a little talk about this after all. So let's go over to the other video.
Yeah, when I deal with so that's for that I just a little thing. I say me I say because I see this video I go with Gio and Ken, but them link when I get back to them and if you pay or me or whatever. One bag of sit brother. If I never see my not even pay this no man. I say me I say come not
nobody take no step by me. I'm gonna answer them.
You can't do so what she say, you see?
Guys, show me what you did, me not show no the text. Then Missy Kenny's text me, but me did busy, so me couldn't get to respond to her same time. You get what me I say? Then text me like, say for instance, then text me today. Me see it tomorrow, but me did kind of busy, so me did wait until, you know, me get some time to respond to her or something. My friend, when I go in my DM, everybody has sent me video where the two of them do about Nickii and Klyne.
Nickel?
And Nickii, say. So GL, let me tell you this. Me no inna the alright. Me no cuss, me no nothing, none of that. If you text me and me no respond, me no have to respond to you same time. Me have a life. You see me busy, me have things I take care of. So I know as I text people and people no reply, and if you run go up on YouTube go make video about this and that, me no in the whole YouTube jam. You know, when I realize we stay in a with Leon. Me there with team.
Yeah, there with no team, and me alone there with.
You are my team, whoever, we their own.
Yeah, because so, me not turn a serious thing in a joke still. Me just, you know I'm turn already. But yeah, for real, because I tell people this thing about when they're in a business before, you know, we out here and do a thing.
Yeah, no, I don't like we did beg no strength.
I respect them, you know. I respect them as YouTubers, you know, but if they don't know what them do, we lose the respect for them, because we don't want to, you see me, this jump up and with this bag of talking, brother. You see me, I say?
Come talk about Nickii and Klyne.
You see it? But, yeah, so, yeah, me, I say, when just do nothing, me and them, I say, them over there and we over here, so.
Exactly. Exactly. Over there, somebody over here.
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
So, I don't know the whole. Me not the cussing. Me just try my best for just hold in certain things when me have to say, because at the end of the day, when you make a video, you never disrespect me, so I don't feel like some of the company a video can disrespect you, but you leave me alone. You see we are doing things and you make trouble.
Yeah, because what me say is, you know, brother, we can't reply to every prayer. As much as Gio and Ken is just big YouTube. I want to know that I don't take that from them.
You know big and me big too.
Yeah, but you don't know, say, yeah, we big same way. So I'm not even real that me I say. As much as I is big YouTube and the Instagram numbers me are good. You expect say feel message go itch up at top. And also Instagram out, brother. And if you have 1 million followers, if enough people are text you, fear text you last. So see if phone thing late and we're busy. But before we can get to respond, on a jump on internet. You see me? Me all can I say, wait, Nickii, where the what next one name? Why if you don't know me? You see me?
And I talk about this a few channel, this is a Nickii and Klyne channel. So when you tap come and come text about this and text about that, and you send me no video when nobody make me then I'm lane, me no want to see nothing where they have to say. Me never trouble you, remember when you first started, me never trouble you. So no leave me alone.
This thing, I don't know chatting now then.
You see people over here start do them thing when I come go up on YouTube go make video about this and that. If you have a problem with text, send me one next text, then I say you're Ray.
No,
run
wanna
back
text
for
me,
YouTube. No, but they never pick up on YouTube and go do this and do that. Make it look like say we and them. I make it look like we is the bad person. Me never see your text, girl. Me did busy. I mean, what
So that was the video that made rounds on social media recently, which depicts Klyne and Nickii actually responding to what Gio and Ken had stated. Now this came out to be a prank overall that got the fans talking all on social media, and I can tell you that this is one of the most epic pranks that I've seen to date, because this really caught the fans off guard, and a number of them have also took to social media just in order to reflect on the two couples and what they have been doing just so far. So there have been a number of follow-up videos from this, and I really want to share those with you as well, but I don't want this video to be too long as well. But I really like the fact that these two couples actually came together in order just to show fans out there that unity is strength, and with unity you can propel yourself to the top. And what these two couples has been doing so far just goes to show you that within the YouTube space, when you actually have fans out there that really rate you, you have fans out there that really respect you, you have to try your best to put other things aside and just come together as one, because Jamaica is the only country I've seen that they have so much rivalry over YouTube. And with that said, it just goes to show that within this space, people can still come together and actually produce some wonderful content that will have the fans talking. So much respect goes out to Gio and Ken, much respect goes out to Klyne and Nickii. Big up the Manchesterian people, much love, and they have doing their thing for some time now, and I can tell you that I see both these couples going a very far way, because they've actually cemented themselves right now on the social media realm of YouTube, and it is working in their favor. So let's just support them and continue for them to just do their thing and propel themselves to greater heights. So I will do another video in relation to what really transpired from here and the actual prank itself. So stay tuned for that coming up. But much respect to Gio and Ken. This was a wonderful and epic prank. One of the most epic pranks I've seen from the start of the year. Much respect. Alright, this is where we're gonna leave this one for now, though. You can just drop it in the comment section, though. Let me know how you feel about this prank, and just what's to come on Links 007 TV. As always, peace out and bless.